Hey guys, we are here ngayon sa Golden Temple Hotel and they have here special dinner, cultural show. We will be witnessing an Apsara dance. So while watching the Apsara dance, we will have Khmer dinner. I am excited. We will watch the traditional Cambodian dance or Khmer dance, which is Apsara. So this is quite exciting. I want to really witness this kind of dance. So yun guys, kakatapos lang ng first dance. That's Cambodian Blessing Dance. Usually performed daw during national holidays or during festivities. I'm just reading this notes here sa likod ng menu. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 more dances na mapapanood natin ngayong gabi. So meron pang coconut shells dance. Meron ding Moni Mekala dance, kung ano yun. And then there's also Robam Ken dance and the Apsara dance. Yung final show is yung Apsara dance talaga. So yun guys, kakatapos lang nung maglalatik, ay hindi pala maglalatik, coconut shell dance. Very ano siya, it's giving maglalatik doon sa atin sa Pilipinas. So that's the second performance ngayong gabi. So guys, look at this fancy palette cleanser. This is mango basil. So guys, nakita nyo naman kung gaano ka-precise and graceful yung kilos ng mga dancers kanina. So ang galing, ang saya manood ng mga ganitong cultural night show. By the way guys, tomorrow pala, gigising kami ng napakaaga kasi finally mapupuntahan na namin yung Angkor Temples. So it's going to be very busy, full pack yung aming schedule tomorrow kasi umagang umaga aabangan namin yung sunrise sa Angkor Temple, yung main temple, Angkor Wat, and then to be followed by several other temples dito sa Angkor Temple Complex. Yeah, I'm excited for tomorrow kasi one of my dream destinations din talaga itong Angkor Wat. Matagal ko nang gustong puntahan. Finally, matutupad na. So there guys, that ends our cultural night here in Golden Temple Hotel. So yeah, that was splendid. Yung performance nung mga dancers, especially yung Apsara dance. It was fun to watch. Sobrang galing. Nakaka-amaze lang talaga. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.